In a few moments, we'll bless and distribute the class rings and pins. And they can serve as a reminder for our juniors of the foundational work that they have done, the foundational work that they will continue to do as they take over various leadership roles in our school community. All that we do here, mind, body, and spirit, builds a strong foundation from which leadership skills emerge. Jesus himself talks about the importance of a strong faith foundation. A house built on sand, Jesus says, will crumble when it faces storm. A house built on rock can withstand storms. Here at Canisius, we are building foundations on rock. Canisius High School, named for today's saint, really is a place where strong foundations are built and leaders are made. And I think St. Peter Canisius would be delighted that that's what we are celebrating here today as a